Hi y'all, I'm at Jackie's house and I'm looking at their rabbit. They have a rabbit named Akira. Is that the name? Akira. So I'm gonna turn the camera around so y'all can see Bugs Bunny. Akira. Hey. Looks like she got on eye makeup. I told Benji all she needed some false lashes. Hi, Akira. Hi. Got a nice big pen. Look at this. Nice and big. And a little hut so she can go in and hide. Hey. Hi, Akira. Bunny rabbit. Okay, this is Jackie's house. Let me see if this light will come on. Nope, no bug. Here, let me see. I like lights. No light in here. She got vines behind her TV. I think it's lights at night. Yeah, she do have little lights. I don't know where they are. She ain't here right now. She stopped at the store. There's a little deck. Is this one plugged in? I don't see no. Walked back there talking to Benji. Oh, she got all the food on the table. I don't come over here often because she live on the 3rd floor. Okay. She got all the food. What is that? Oh, it's ham. Greens with smoked turkey tails. Oh, she got some candied yams with pecans. Turkey breast, butter, garlic, mashed potatoes, mac and cheese, dressing, and she bought this cake from somebody on her job. Look at this fancy tag they got on here. Look at that.
Oh yeah, that's the pound cake I got.
Yeah. That's how I used to box mine up. But this is fancy, this ribbon.
Just wish they had more ice.
You're just country, man.
Step outside.
Hi, Benjamin.
Hi.
There's Benjamin. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Thank you. Okay, the light didn't come on because it wasn't plugged in. Y'all know why? Because the rabbit likes to nibble on the cords. If she can reach them, then she gonna chew on them, which is very dangerous. So that light is on. I like that lamp. Got shelves to it. Let me film her appliances. All my girls like kitchen gadgets. Okay, let me go in here. Okay, she got the Cicero. I'm not sure which Cicero that is. I'm thinking it's the Duo Blaze, but I ain't sure because that's one I don't have. She got the Instant Pot. She got the ACOC, whatever that is. It's something else. she got the oven on. Oh, she still got something in the oven. Practice kindness. Because everybody got a microwave.
You been on?
Okay, here's my plate, y'all. Deviled eggs, I call them angel eggs, macaroni and cheese, turkey breast, candied yams with pralines, mashed potatoes, cranberries, ham, dressing, and some greens with smoked turkey tails. And what I didn't get no turkey tail. I don't want that.
Cornish hen.
And Walter got Cornish hens.
I'm putting
He over there getting his eat on. Yeah, I'm taking you, Walter.
Always throwing that thing on me when I ain't ready. Hey, happy Thanksgiving to everybody out there. I'm hoping you're having a wonderful, blessed, and safe Thanksgiving. And I'm having a pretty good one right here, right now with my daughter and my grandson. Yeah. You all take care. Enjoy yourselves.
Okay, guys.
Until next time.
Man, my food's getting cold.
Bye.
Okay, Amber and Makai just came in.
Kia called me.
Makai.
Hey, Kia. I had just been here from your family. Oh, your mama. Your mama and dad and Amber and I just came by. Fix my head. I had looked at $1,000 so I get a juice for you and then pop.
Curly head. There's Makai. Say hi to the honeys. Say hi, honeys. He got on his big boy clothes, his plaid shirt.
Say happy Thanksgiving.
Thank you.
Go tell the camera happy Thanksgiving.
Thank you. Okay. There's Makai, there's Amber, there's Kia, there's Jose back there, there's Jackie, there's Walter, there's Kiela.
And McDonald's closed. You don't eat.
And they sitting around watching the Squid Games with the real people in it that can make money.
Here.
Okay, y'all, we're getting ready to leave from over Jackie's house. So,
At the last second,
I will talk to y'all later, and happy Thanksgiving.
puts it at the front.
Whoops.
I don't know how to play this game, but I know
Little boy.
I'm wet.
maybe stop, especially when I'm in a
You can
two-person
throw it
boat.
away, Don.
Okay, bye, Kiela. Bye, Jose. Bye, Jackie.
Bye. Bye, Janice.
Bye, Kia.
Bye.
Whatever your name is, Amber. Bye, Makai. Bye, Walter. Okay, I'll see you later, Benji. Okay.
It was back to
Did you say Happy Easter?
and it helped with like
Okay, thank you. Happy Thanksgiving.
But the certain size, it's 6 capsules. That's